Alright guys, here goes the unboxing. It's all damage, I do believe. I'll double check it here. Sure no secret saw blades. There's sure no blades hidden for the hacksaw or the circular saw. Okay. New M18 compact brushless kit. There is the hammer drill. Here is, I got the matching M12 to this. I had the matching 3/8 to this. I sent it back and got this 2 fuels, 1/2-inch M12 hammer drills. But I got the matching of this still, and I traded my M12 in for from the compact 3/8 to the 1/2-inch fuel, like I said. So I still got 2 M12s, and it's doing pretty good on this platform here. And here's what I really wanted: the brushless compact 7 1/4. Can't wait to test it out. Ought to be fun. If you guys can see that. Pretty nice. We'll be testing its power in future videos along with these compared to my compact DeWalt's. I have the atomic brushless original comparing to this. I don't really have a compact drill to compare this to, but we'll see if the M12 fuel will keep up with it. I'll have now 3 Milwaukee drills and 2 DeWalt's when I get my power detect back, which I'm sure it will destroy this in power, but this will not keep up, I'm pretty positive. But we'll see where it lies with the torque test on my digital Quinn torque adapter. Standard 7 1/4-inch framing wood blade. Not bad. Get rid of this dunnage. There's a nice multi-volt charger. Very nice. M12 and M18 battery. Here's my regular CP 2.0. I have a lot of these. 3 of these to be exact in my M12. Here's my 4.0 and my 5. Plus, I already have a 5.0 battery, brand new for this. So that's 4 batteries, 4 tools. Can't really beat it. With this really nice carrying case. Here's the standard paperwork for all the tools in there. I now have the jigsaw, the hacksaw, the flex volt, advantage and flex volt sawzall. And then I have the one-handed recip saw, Milwaukee hacksaw. Not the fuel. I think it is brushed, but it came with a kit. It might be brushless. I don't see nothing on here that indicates brushless. They say these are pretty nice and convenient and powerful. So we'll see. I don't think it came with any hacksaw blades for free. Would have only sweetened the pot a little bit extra, but I'm not seeing any blades for the hacksaw, which I got tons of blades already, so we'll be fine. Alright, everybody, that was the unboxing of my new toolkit at work. Thanks for watching.